birthday, Homelander.
Thank you. I can see you girdle, you disgusting fat. Get off the stage. What are you drinking?
Shake Shack?
Oh, I see you got the extra whipped cream in there, huh? Delicious. Yummers.
Did I do something wrong?
Guess you wanted to cram in as much fat as possible, huh? You're just eating your feelings, making us look ridiculous. Fastest man alive. What a joke.
English or Spanish?
What did you say?
Nothing. Nothing?
What did you say to me?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it.
Say it. Say it.
Whoever moves first is game.